fourth generation Yaris has been designed to meet the increasing challenges of everyday urban life. And I hope you can see why we're confident that it will help us deliver continued sales and market share growth here in Europe. Let me thank Stefan, Luc and Andrea for the brief introduction to their workshops, each one of which has been designed to provide you with a unique insight into the areas that will differentiate us from our competitors. As I mentioned earlier, since its introduction in 1999, Yaris has spearheaded Toyota's growth strategy in Europe. It was the first vehicle to be designed in Europe and also built in Europe, with European consumers in mind. So when we reflect on the last 2 decades, I don't believe it's an exaggeration to say that Yaris is the model that has led the transformation of Toyota brand appeal in the mainstream segments. We've enjoyed 20 years of success and welcomed many new customers to the brand. But our journey isn't over, and we have a higher ambition in the compact car segments. Yaris is already a success story, not just for Toyota in Europe, but also globally. That's why, just like our decision for the C segment with Corolla, we've decided to consolidate our global B segment nameplate strategy under the Yaris name. This is one of the easiest decisions we've ever had to make. New Yaris embodies our determination to make ever better cars. And when success feels this good, why stop? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention, and let me hand you back to Robert.
Thank you very much, Matt, for your presentation.
Of that Yaris. Matt and the team have given you an overview of the new car, but of course, there is much more to say. So I brought 2 of my colleagues, Mr. Nakashima, to talk about design, Mr. Uehara, talk about the new hybrid system. You'll find us in and around the workshop. We are very much approachable.
Okay, for you? Yeah.